Hello, I'm in a 2016 Ford Focus, and today I'm going to show you to open the hood. So from the driver's side here, first we'll look down here. You should find a lever here to pull. So we pulled it. Should be a slight amount of tension here. If there's nothing at all, you might need to go up under this plastic. There should be a cable in there that's connected back around where you're pulling. But others will go up to the front. You should see the hood slightly loose now that we popped that safety release. Yep. And then usually right around the middle, on most vehicle models, there'll be a lever to pull. I believe these Focuses are actually further to the left. So we'll check over here. I think it's right here. Yep. So I'm pushing this way and then we're gonna lift. So push and lift. That's it. You can see that's the component here I was pulling, and you can see it's connected here with these cables. And then the other end of this, you should see the cables for that safety release from the inside of the vehicle. Yeah, and up here is where it was hooked onto. If you're having issues, check for any debris in here, gunk, maybe some WD-40 to loosen up all the components. And then make sure your hood's in proper alignment, so if everything's straight, because if it's not quite straight, that might cause issues as well. In worst case, some of these parts are pretty inexpensive to replace if needed. But otherwise, hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.